Flossing is one of those habits dentists keep reminding us about. But there's always been one annoying downside to those convenient plastic floss picks. You use them once, toss them out, and over time, that creates a surprising amount of waste. Now, a Swedish design team thinks they've come up with a much smarter option called the Flosser. The Flosser is a reusable flosser made from stainless steel, and it's designed to last for years instead of ending up in the trash after a single use. It has a folding floss pick built right into the body, so when you're done using it, the pick folds away neatly into the case. That means you can throw it into your pocket or bag without worrying about dirt getting all over the floss. One of the coolest parts is that it has its own built-in floss spool hidden inside the handle. Instead of carrying separate floss containers around, you can refill this device directly and keep everything in one compact tool. It can hold around 10 feet of floss, which should last for months with regular daily use. Unlike some reusable flossers that lock you into special refills, this one works with pretty much any dental floss brand you already like using. Loading the floss also looks pretty simple, and there's even a built-in cutter so you can trim it without needing scissors. The floss arm locks into place while you use it, and there's a keychain hole too, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. For anyone tired of bulky dental gadgets, this feels like a refreshingly simple approach. A lot of people have switched to battery-powered water flossers, but those can be large, expensive, and not exactly travel-friendly. The Flosser goes in the opposite direction, with a compact, low-tech design that still gets the job done. The planned retail price is expected to be around $49, but early supporters on Kickstarter can currently grab one for less. The standard version comes in a natural steel finish, while higher-priced options include several different colors, including a really sleek midnight blue version, plus a carrying pouch. The company is also offering free worldwide shipping. Of course, with any crowdfunding campaign, there's always some risk involved, so that's worth keeping in mind before backing it. That said, the design studio behind the Flossr has already launched and delivered another Kickstarter product in the past, which gives this project a bit more credibility. They've also already attracted thousands of backers, so there's clearly a lot of interest in the idea. This feels like one of those small, everyday products that actually makes a lot of sense. It keeps the convenience people, like from floss picks, cuts down on waste, and adds a cleaner, more premium design at the same time.